So let me show you how to enter recovery mode on your Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. Now, this is very, very simple. All you have to do is long press the upper and lower buttons. So this upper button and lower buttons on the side. You want to long press these two buttons simultaneously until you see the Samsung logo, and then you can release and then press the upper button a couple of times, and that should put you into the main menu from where you can go into recovery mode. So let's do this together. So upper button and lower button. So let's press and hold. Just press and hold these two buttons. Just keep holding. Screen goes dark. There you go. So I'm gonna press the upper button. You've seen me pressing a couple of times. Now you're going to see this menu. Now this menu is for the reboot mode. So you have continue and then recovery. So you're basically just scrolling with the upper button, as you can see. Okay, so you have power off, which you can use to turn off the watch. Just bring it closer. And then if you scroll again, you can continue, and then you have recovery, and then you have download wireless. Okay, so to go into recovery mode, make sure recovery is highlighted, and then once it's highlighted, just long press on that option, and it's gonna take you into recovery mode. So there's the Samsung logo. Let's just wait. Just wait for it to boot into recovery mode. There you go. So we are now inside recovery mode, and inside recovery mode, you're basically going to scroll using the lower button. So that's how you navigate in the recovery mode. So you have all these options: apply update from SD card. You have wipe data / factory reset. That's where you can do that. You can also wipe the cache partition from here. You can view recovery logs. You can run graphics tests, all this stuff, including power off. And you just scroll using this button. You cannot scroll using this one. This one is for selecting. So you just scroll, and when you get to the end of the list, just keep pressing, and it's going to start from the beginning again. All right. So that's how to get inside recovery mode on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. Now, to exit recovery mode, you simply need to go to either the power off menu, which will turn off your watch, or you can just go to reboot system now. And with that highlighted, you can now press the upper button to select that option, and that's going to reboot your watch back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. And if you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and good luck.